Good evening, everybody. Just wanted to go over the Bitcoin chart as it's climbing up towards new all-time highs in US dollars. So the way that this works is up on the top, you'll see Bitcoin / US dollar. So the first name here, whenever you see this exchange, is always equal to 1. And then the unit on the right-hand side is the variable. So 1 Bitcoin equals 17,882 US dollars, or 1 Bitcoin equals X amount of Canadian dollars. So in this scenario, the first unit here on the left is always 1, and the price on the chart is always the second one. So that's a good thing to remember when you're looking at any price chart like this. The other thing to take note of is this piece here. So this is 1 week. So each one of these candles is 1 week. So here we are in this current week here. Current price, 17,860 US dollars. The price got all the way up to here through the week, got all the way down to just below this mark, 16,000 for the week. And after Friday, this will start a new candle. So this always tells you whether it's a daily candle or a weekly candle. In this case, I chose weekly just to give us a longer term perspective here. So this chart goes back all the way to halfway through July in 2013. A little bit of action here early on, and then we see this breakout in 2017, and this is the one we all know. I remember people asking about how to buy it up in this run here, and this is what we've done ever since. So the nice thing about Bitcoin, and I've just kind of looked at this now and kind of piecing some things together here, in terms of why the price is breaking out. So this here is called support. So this is a support line. This is a resistance trend line. And we built this pennant formation, and the price bumped up against it here. And what happened was it broke out, consolidated a little bit, and then back tested this line. So from a trading perspective, traders will look at this and really key on this area. Does it break back down, or does it bounce from here and go to new all-time highs? Well, once you're past this point, which is also a key point, you can see, it's off to the races. So it broke out of this resistance line, back tested it, and this is just classic technical analysis. And I think that's a big part of what's pushing the price is technical analysis. That's what this is we're looking at right now. And this is just basic. There's more complex technical analysis, but this is just basic support and resistance, trend lines, and breakouts. So yeah, breaking out to the upside. Couple of orange marks here, key points, previous highs, obviously July 1st, 2019, so about a year and a half ago, we had a midterm high here around 13.8 before it dropped back down to 4,000, and then obviously the previous all-time high of 19,608 US dollars. So that is a bit of a picture on Bitcoin. Keep in mind, if you're talking about Bitcoin in Canadian dollars, you can add 30% because of the US Canadian exchange. And yeah, just wanted to keep it short and sweet. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them. And if you felt this video helped you, give it a like, and I'll provide some further perspective another time. Have a good night. Cheers.